everybody, it's the beginning, as you see from the little bumper. I haven't created it yet, but I know what it's going to be. So this is Vegas 45, a vlog of sorts. As anyone who's watched any of my previous vlogs know, I'm not a person who constantly is carrying a camera and going everywhere with it and showing you everything I do. But I'll try to hit some of the highlights, show you some of my experiences, some of the people that I meet along the way. And hopefully you enjoy it. And we're going to head into the airport right now. See you there. Okay, at the airport. Well, we're at the airport parking, economy parking. So I'll be waiting on the little shuttle bus to come take me to my terminal. We're basically 2 hours from the flight. Uneventful trip. Just too many trucks going really fast, but hey, there you go. Later. Okay, so literally I'm on the 52nd floor of the Wynn, and it's the first thing I've actually recorded since I got to Las Vegas, but we're on our way to meet Bobby G, Lee, and Penny, because that rhymes. So I thought we should record this for posterity because, you know, we're vloginators and such. Has not been a winning session going on down here. So I don't know what's happening, but we're gonna flip the camera around. Gonna flip it around so we can catch all the excitement of when Mark finally gets to meet me. Here we have all the excitement. Vegas meetups happening for October.
Come on,
Lee,
come on in,
good to
John.
see you, sir.
Good to see you.
Nobody knows.
We're looking for.
We're looking for someone named Ace. He's going to hook us up with something. We don't know what. All right. Do we see the man? Will he see us? I think we see the Ace. The Ace. The one and only Ace of the Vegas. Recording these special moments.
Big guy, good to see you finally.
How you doing, brother?
Good to meet you.
Good to meet you finally. Bring it in. No. All right, guys, we are.
Okay, so we're out on the Las Vegas Boulevard, the Strip. A bunch of semi-famous people who are also vlogging. There you go.
All right.
The Penny and the Ace. There you go. We're not going to walk all the way up and down the Strip because you all have seen it before. Lots of Pennies for Vegas swag on display tonight. Yeah, we need strong drinks. So. First night here, obviously hanging out with a number of other Rocktober participants. No good luck in the casino so far. But maybe that will change when we start playing 9 cents a spin. Look at these two. These two are like addicted. They live stream their showers. Or they would, if they could. It's as bad as PJ. Vlogging the vloggers. Alright, more when anyone cares. Okay, it's still going on. They haven't stopped live streaming. We're TI headed to Mirage. You can literally watch Mark's live stream much later on my phone. Fairly busy tonight, not crazy. Pretty typical weekend. Except it's not typical. Alright, we're headed to the Mirage for some strong drinks. See what comes of it. Alright, we are here at the Mirage with the one and only Pennies for Vegas and a cast of a dozen. So there you go. Should be a good time. Tomorrow night is Rocktober. There is Lee, a fellow Kansan. I'm going to call him a Jayhawk, but I don't know that he really is.
I like the sheep.
There you go.
We got more people joining the party over here. We got two fat dudes.
And I think you agree with me, Mark, in saying they are indeed fabulous dudes.
Yes, they are.
They are. And we have the Kinos.
Are fabulous.
And both of the Kinos are lovely.
Yeah. You need to have a Caesar.
You should have a Caesar. The one and only kid of the Kino.
Right here. It's good to see you guys.
Good to see you.
It's my Canadian nemesis. This Pennies over here. But I'm glad you made it, buddy.
We were on pins and needles all day. We were thinking he was gonna like crap out and go back to bed.
Crap out.
We thought about it.
We were over at the Cosmo.
I was nervous he would not clear customs. Honestly, I thought they were gonna make him stay in Toronto.
We
But
were gonna head back, and we were like, you know what? No, we gotta come crash this party here. So.
all right, the one and only Kino Kid.
Yeah.
Join Kino Kid and I just a few days for the first Kino live stream ever.
The Kino Paul.
That's right. Kino was not good to me tonight.
No, it wasn't?
Yeah, played at Win for a while.
Yeah, I played down at the D last night. I was like, I was scoping out machines.
Oh my God, there was some guy that was playing at the D who was on Twitter the other day. Won like 13,000.
There was a guy at the Aquarius. He hit two different jackpots for 100 and something.
Might have been the same guy, I don't know.
Twitter or playing Keno? I'm like, but it
He was
like 16,
betting like,
16
yeah. So there you go, one and only Kino Kid. This isn't live, but this is going to be on the vlog. We're going to have a lot of Kino Kid in the vlog.
Yeah, we'll just edit
Maybe
me
too
out.
much.
Blur my face.
That's a great mask you have there.
Yeah, you like that?
All right, Kino Kid, he's running away. We had some drinks. It was awesome.
Hey, it's Keno Kid.
Too much vodka.
The only way to kill a drink like that is to chug it. That's what I'm saying.
There you go, John. John.
You can chug these, you guys will carry in his bag.
There's no way.
Okay, we're live. It is, well, it's like 1 a.m. But I've been up for like 24 hours. We should totally go to White Castle or Walgreens or something and get food. These crazy people want to go to Treasure Island and play Texas Tea. There it is. Texas Tea right there. What an amazing shot right there, Mirage. You know, I tell you, don't let anybody tell you not to come to Vegas right now. Yeah, you gotta wear masks. It's not the same. It is still our city.
Say hi to Martha.
Come support these people. It's an awesome place. All right, we'll see what else happens.
No?
Okay, so we're at Treasure Island, and it's the Texas Tea Challenge. And I believe the first contestant is going to be Pennies for Vegas, because the rest of us all have to pee. Okay, so it's like almost 2 a.m. and most of us have been up close to 24 hours.
Yes, sir.
And we need food. We're headed to Venetian/Palazzo in the hope that they have cheaper food than Wynn. And I don't know how optimistic we are about that.
Guys, we had a big crew at one point. Yes. This is it. 2 Kansas City guys. Yes, sir. Chiefs.
Kansas.
And a Canadian.
All can all the time.
And we're hungry.
Yeah.
Phone started.
That's right.
Have you ever done the daily slot tournament here? No. I've done it here, and me and Bell, I used to they got a good
Is Mark going to do the Harrah's slot tournament on this trip?
I think they got rid of that.
Oh yeah, probably. Yeah, I hate the COVID. Nice, very pretty. So anyway, the night is winding down.
Maybe we'll just stay up, JR, till tomorrow.
It's what?
Maybe we'll just keep going.
There you go, stay up all night. I did that. The first night I came to Vegas, I stayed up till the sun rose.
That's what I thought about doing tomorrow.
Oh, that sounds brutal. Although I got to be honest, there was a couple of times that I was hungover on a plane, and I was able to like sleep, and apparently, the oxygen mix in the air, it actually helped.
Yep.
So it's not the worst idea ever. We are semi-live. We're headed into the Venetian. Not just a Venetian, but the Venetian. We are looking for a fucking hand pay. Or something. Alright. Fountains. Why are there fountains everywhere? There's no water in this place. Alright. Alright, it's all good. We're at Bonanno's New York Pizzeria. Very late. Slice of cheese, slice of pepperoni and sausage. Eat some food, so I'm gonna check it out. Let you know. So, kind of a nice way to close out the evening. Oh, who knows how long I'll be up. It's 2:30 in the morning, so probably not much longer, but there you go. 6 out of 7, 290. We're up for the trip. Well, good morning from Las Vegas. Checking out my fabulous view of Resorts World. Okay. Well, and Encore. And a parking garage. And Westgate. In the mountains, I guess. All the way around. It's, I don't know, it's like 8 o'clock, 7:30, 8 o'clock. And I'm already awake. Even though I didn't come back up to the room till like 3:30, so yesterday's footage was probably interesting. Look, you can see me in the window. But anyway, just trying to figure out what I'm going to do here this morning. Need to get a little more rest for the main event tonight, so we'll see how it goes. There may be an unwelcome guest in town. We'll have to wait and see if he shows again. Nice hit on the Keno last night, very late at night. And yeah. So I'd say on the gambling front, I'm basically about even for the trip. How about that? That is one hell of a view here on the 8th floor of the Wynn. So there you go. That's basically day one and a little bit from the morning of day two. Seems like a good place to stop. Actually, the footage was a little more integrated, made a little more sense than I thought it would, so I just kind of left it intact. First night, getting back to the Wynn, ended up taking a cab because the rideshare area was just swamped. I couldn't even get the Lyft app to pull up and assign me a driver, so kind of a pricey ride back to the hotel. Played a little bit there, and then finally got a message from Mark that he was hanging out with Lee and Bobby G. It was great to meet those folks. I don't think Lee has a YouTube channel, but Bobby G does. I will put a link to that in the show notes below. We then discovered that the one and only Ace of Vegas was hanging out at the Mirage and making his way over to the Wynn. And of course we captured that special moment when we first saw the Ace of Vegas. So it was great meeting Eric as well. I post a link to his channel, but he has like 5 million subscribers already, so I don't think he needs it. But so we spent some time at the Mirage. We got to meet up with the two Fab dudes. We got to meet up with Keno Kid and Keno Candy as well. That was great. Had a couple of Caesars. If you saw Mark's vlog, you saw that as well. But a good time. I missed the entire 9-cent Texas tea playoff because I was first trying to find the bathroom and then trying to find the people I was with. But we had a good time. Made our way over to Venetian at one point, had a couple slices of pizza. That really hit the spot, and then had to call it a night, but not before just a little bit of Keno play. We saw that nice hit, 290. That was actually the biggest hit of the entire trip. I'm giving that away right now. I would get close to that a couple of times, but 290 was the biggest win I had on the whole trip, which is kind of sad, but that's all right. I came home with money. But so yeah, it was a good time. Long day. I got up at before 6 o'clock local time, didn't get to bed till almost 4 o'clock Vegas time, so that means it literally was 24 hours, and then I was up, as you see, pretty early the next morning. Part 2 of this Vegas 45 Rocktober vlog is going to feature a whole bunch of activities. We're going to meet up with Andy and Simone, the frontiersmen. We're going to hang out on the high roller and so much more. I don't even know if we can fit it all in one video, but if we can, we will put it together. We will share it with you. Hope you enjoyed part 1 of Vegas 45. Till next time, we'll see you soon.